In a chilling escalation of violence against the media, two tribal journalists, Samir Debbarma and Chini Debbarma, were victims of a pre-planned and life-threatening assault in Advisor chowmuhani, Agartala late Monday night. The miscreants also allegedly smashed two mobile phones, snatched a gold chain from his neck and looted 18,000 cash. According to the complaint filed by the victims, the incident occurred during the late night hours of Monday. Four miscreants intercepted the journalist and launched a coordinated attack. The assailants first targeted Samir Debbarma, physically assaulting him and smashing two of his mobile phones. The miscreants also allegedly snatched a gold chain from his neck and looted 18,000 cash from him. The motorcycle used by the journalist was also severely vandalized during the encounter. The violence escalated further against Chini Debbarma, who was mercilessly beaten with helmets, iron rods and heavy sticks. Despite being critically injured, Chini managed to retreat and seek refuge inside his house. However, the attackers reportedly broke through the tin gates of his residence to continue the assault indoors. Fearing for their lives, the victims managed to contact the West Agartala police station. Responding swiftly to the distress call, a police team arrived at the spot. While they successfully apprehended one of the miscreants, the other three managed to flee under the cover of darkness. On Tuesday morning, senior media leaders visited the West Agartala police station to stand in solidarity with the victims. The delegation included Pranab Sarkar, president of the Agartala Press Club and the Tripura Journalists Union, Ranjit Debbarma, secretary of the Khorang Press Club and chief editor of Chini Khorang News Channel. The leaders later visited the site of the attack to assess the extent of the damage and gather eyewitness accounts. Expressing deep indignation over the incident, Agartala Press Club President Pranab Sarkar issued a stern warning to the authorities.
একজনকে রাতে গ্রেপ্তার করা হয়েছে। আমাদের দাবি হলো সবাইকে গ্রেপ্তার করতে হবে এবং দৃষ্টান্তমূলক সাজা দিতে হবে। ওসি বলেছেন যে কোনোভাবেই এদেরকে ছাড়া হবে না, সব আসামিকে গ্রেপ্তার করা হবে। তো আমরা দেখি সবাইকে গ্রেপ্তার করা হয় কি না, কারণ আমরা আমাদের বক্তব্য একদম পরিষ্কার। রাজ্যের জাতি জনজাতি সবাই একসাথে থাকবে। জনজাতিরা এখানে সাংবাদিকতা করবে, যারা বাঙালিরা আছে ট্রাইবেল বেল্টে সাংবাদিকতা করবে। এই ট্রেডিশনকে আমরা কোনোভাবেই ভাঙতে দেব না। আমি বলবো যারা এগুলো করছে উদ্দেশ্যপ্রণোদিতভাবে আমাদের সম্পত্তি নষ্ট করার জন্য এগুলো করছে, এগুলো কোনোভাবে আমরা বরদাস্ত করব।
The media fraternity has called for exemplary punishment for the perpetrators to ensure such incidents are not repeated. As of Tuesday evening, police operations are reportedly underway to track down the absconding individuals. Pure Report, Chini Khorang.